Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking what is the greatest amount of NH3 in moles that can be made with 3.2 moles of N2 and 5.4 moles of H2. Which is the limiting reactant? Which reactant is in excess? How many moles of it are left over? So let's see how we can calculate this one. So first of all, we have to write the equation, balanced equation. So let's write that one first. So we have N2 plus H2 combined is giving us NH3, right? So NH3, here we have 3 hydrogens, so let's put a 2 right here. So if I put 3, this is balanced. So now we have balanced equation. So first question is asking for which is the limiting reactant. To find the limiting reactant, we have to use this information right here and find out which is not enough, right? Like which is not enough, that's the question. So let's figure it out. So first I take this 3.2 mole N2 and see how many moles of H2 it will require to finish all this N2. So let's take this 3.2 mole, 3.2 moles, and if I take this one, okay, so we have 3.2 moles of N2 multiply by, so we have 3 moles of H2 right here, 3 moles of H2 divided by 1 mole, see here we have 1 mole N2, that gives us 9.6 moles of H2, right? So here we need 9.6. So here we need 9.6 moles of H2 to finish all this N2 from the first information. So let's analyze the second information. Second information, they have given 5 moles of H2. So here we have 5.4 mole. So how much N2 will it require to finish all these 5.2 moles of H2? Let's calculate that one. 5.4 moles H2 times, so we are trying to calculate N2, so that's going to be on top, 1 mole N2, and here we have 3 moles of H2. That's going to give us 1.8 mole N2. So we need 1.8 mole of N2 to finish all these things, all this H2. So according to this information, it's similar to this one, is similar to multiplying this one by 3.2, this one by 3.2, and this one also by 3.2. This is similar to multiplying this one by 1.8, 3 times 1.8. So that's the relationship, and let's see. So if we have 3.2 moles of N2, we need 9.6 moles of H2 to finish this thing. But here we don't have enough moles of H2, right? We will run out of H2 if we use this one, and this one doesn't work. And this one this will work because we have enough mole of H2 and enough mole of N2. So this one will work. But the first question is asking, what is the limiting reactant? So the limiting reactant is which one will run out first. Here if you look at this one, we have 3.2 moles of N2, so this is excess, right? This is more than what is required. But this one, we have enough of it, but this one will finish first. So that is our limiting reactant. So we can say therefore limiting reactant is H2. So that's the one that will finish first. So that's the second question is asking which is the reactant is in excess. As I discussed already, we have 3.2 moles of N2 and we only require 1.8 mole to finish these things. But so with this we have excess N2, so the excess reactant is, we have excess N2, right? The third question is asking, and how many moles of it are left over? So we have 3.2 moles. So let's say this third one. We have 3.2 moles and we only require 1.8 mole. So the leftover is going to be 1.4 moles of N2. And that is the answer for the third question. I hope you guys liked this video. See you next time.